Hello everyone! This is a tutorial on a moss carpet. Here, it's the flat surface of the carpet. Each region has a different serial number. The color card representing each wool. Get the material package. The first step is to take out grid cloth. Put the wool of the corresponding color into this area. The whole carpet. Do an understanding. You can see it. There are 22 kinds of wool in total. Each color roughly divided into 3 categories. The first is to use more, being green milk cotton, light gray milk cotton, mustard green milk cotton, mainly milk cotton. The second is coral fleece. Coral fleece weaving is relatively simple. It's easier to get results. The first step for everyone is start with coral fleece. The third one is very beautiful. Mohair. You see in the middle. This area of the lake, it just uses more mohair. The grass next to it is mohair. Knitting method of mohair. It's the same as milk cotton. Special attention. Milk cotton in size 11. Beige milk cotton. Its weaving method is the weaving method of the island. While knitting,
check out the weaving tutorial.
That's it. Types of wool and knitting methods. Explanation. Then we explain. Milk cotton and mohair. Knowledge of line preparation. Next to number 4 and number 5. Take the grass next to it as an example. It's pink green mohair and grass green mohair. Mainly used. Pink green mohair is more. It says 10 centimeters and for sticks and 1 thickness. 10 centimeters refers to the length of the whole thread. Put the line wrapped around a card. Then just trim it. Don't worry about the length of it, for in a cluster, that's crochet, is a cluster of 4, and then it's woven. For example, mohair is thinner, but milk cotton, usually 2 or 1 in a cluster. Well, take the example of milk cotton. The above is a relatively large range. Number 10. Christmas green milk cotton. He used 5.5 to 10 centimeters, 2 in a cluster. Not 1 5.5 centimeters, 1 10 centimeters. He means it's like a hill, high in the middle, low all around. So for example, the yellow area, a little higher. That's 10 centimeters. Around, that's 5.5 centimeters. The transition between the two. Trim with scissors. Or divide it thinner and insert 8 centimeters. When I usually knit, reserve 3 to 4 grids on the periphery. Take this region. Gross part. Same thing. Yellow part. Use long lines. Use short lines around. There is no specific scope restriction for this. Free play. The above is the knowledge of the preparation line. And then color mixing. The color mixing area can be seen. Many colored dots, including color indications. This dot is the area that needs to be mixed with colors. Each color mixing area, there will be a detailed explanation of color mixing. For example, there is more blue in the middle. If you don't know how to mix colors, you can take a look at this detailed explanation of color mixing. Easy for everyone to understand. So that's the general guide. If there is any problem you don't understand, we can ask our customer service in time. Thank you very much. Bye. Hello. Today we will explain the preparation line. There are also some precautions. We have prepared to spare line cards for you. On the instruction guide, each region has a relative, the length of the backup line. This spare line card, it can satisfy his length. Look. Each square of the card, that's 1 centimeter. For example, to this dotted line, that's 3.5 centimeters. This length can be woven. Area of the lake, relatively low, a relatively low lake. The size used. Then there are 7 squares on it. That's 7 centimeters. It's used for weaving longs, some higher places. Horizontal also has length. The backup line can also be used, 5.5 centimeters. The total length of the card. There are 7 plus 3.5, which is 10.5 centimeters. A longer size can be made. We have prepared for you 1 long and 1 short size. In front of the line. Cut along the dotted line first. Then wrap the thread to be used, like the blue line for. Then cut both ends. This is the 3.5 centimeters spare line. Put the string aside. So here's the long backup line. So let's take this for example. Use about 10.5 centimeters of thread. If you need longer, you can use your hands or a bigger card. Cut. This is the backup line for 10.5. At the same time 5.5 centimeters. It is also a very commonly used backup line. Turn the card across. Go around a few times. The above is how to use the card. Thanks for watching. Hello! Grid hook method today. The first is the preparation. Required tools. There are plastic needles and milk cotton. Find the thread. Draw a suitable length. Can be longer. Then cut. Thread. Insert plastic needle. Align the line segments on both sides. And then tie a knot. Is that so? Just prepare the line. At the beginning, find what we drew. Area of sand. Wear it out from below. Attention. Find the hole in the middle of the knot. Then plug it in. This is the beginning. Then insert the grid hole next to it. Tighten the edge. Go around 3 to 4 times. Then draw. 1 grain of sand is ready. Then go through the grid hole next to it. 1 more time. Still the same. Lay the needle horizontally. Then go around 4 times. I like to go around 4 times. Against the coil, pull the needle. 1 draw. 1 more time. Remember to tighten the thread. Then for laps. Against the coil, pull the needle. There you go. And so on. Put the gap of the mesh cloth. It's all filled up. If you want to make it bigger, you can go around 5 times. You can also go a little further. Go through. For laps. Hold down the coil. Last pull needle. So it's done. Next step. When the line is not long enough, it's almost over. Segment. Insert under the grid. Then pierce through the same hole. Same as we started. Find the following 2 coils. You put it through another grid. From the back, you can see the weaving marks. Cut off the excess thread. Tie a knot. It's fixed like this. It's not easy to spread out. So that's the end. Hello! Today we will explain the weaving method of waves. This way of weaving, it is woven in the same way as milk cotton. I'm afraid everyone won't understand. So again, you need to use a circle line. Step 1. Prepare the line. Take out the spare line card. I used a 7 centimeters length. Go around a few times. It doesn't take a lot. It's just an embellishment. Attention! This circle line, preferably after weaving the first 2 or 3 layers. See level. And then one more thing. Play a decorative effect. Don't add it in at the beginning. Otherwise it won't be easy to knit. 7 centimeters backup line is ready. You can have 2 or 3 in a cluster. Use to first. Way of weaving. Mainly based on vertical weaving. Use for grid full hooks. Now we knit horizontally. You can imagine. When we compile, it is mainly vertical. This is the usual way to hook. You can imagine it's all woven vertically like this. After editing, take out the prepared circle line. The effect of acting as a wave can be sideways. Crochet. So this is a woven surf line. It's layered. One more time. This is a general indication. Waves can occur less often. Like here, I don't have a hook. I don't hook the other side. Mainly appears at the junction of each. There is an approximate location on the color mixing guide. You can also refer to it sideways. But when the time comes, you're done hooking the mohair. That might be a little tricky to do, but it doesn't matter. Just find the empty horizontal space. After knitting, pull it a little. You can pull the one in the middle. He is a little longer than the other side. To achieve the effect of this flocculent, you can also trim it. Cut the sides a little bit. It's a little bit longer in the middle. This is how a wave weaves. More agile, but don't overdo it, otherwise it will look a little messy. Thanks for watching.